Well, Bella had her piglets. She had 10 total. It was so cool to see. Whenever she was having them whenever I was getting ready to go to work, so I was able to film them for just a minute and then I had to leave. But she had 10 and unfortunately already lost one, but it's kind of to be expected. She's not our best mama, unfortunately. But other good news, our hay is dried out and ready to bale. So we have had 2 very, very warm days. Yesterday was more overcast, but it was still hot and breezy. Today is breezy and very hot and mostly sunny. Temperatures are right around 100 degrees. So it did not take long for this stuff to dry out and become crunchy, and it smells amazing. So the boys already have my hay rake hooked up to the tractor, so let's go get started. That might need to go a little more. All right, we're good. Hay rake is not doing too good today. It is it's got some tines that have broken off, and it's not cleaning up the field like it should. So it's leaving quite a bit of hay in the field. Not a major ordeal. It's just going to cut into our yield. Is what it is. I got to really go through this thing, and I've been putting it off for the last couple of years, but I really need to go through it and get it fixed back up. Fixing to be done, hook up to the baler. Peter decided to join me. He loves tractor time. Likes hanging out with Daddy. Here you go, guys. Take this. So these things right here control how tight the bale's going to be. So I just bring them up to where it's snug, and then I'll basically, that's this thing here. I'll crank them like once or twice. I think I'm just going to do once. We'll have to see how that works. First one might not tie. All right. That's it. We got 2 more bales right here in this hopper, and they've got all the rest of them on the truck. Everything's all cleaned up. Looks great. How many did we end up with? Huh? Huh?
You lost count.
You lost count?
Yeah.
What in the world? How many do you think's on there?
I'm guessing about 70.
I'd say 55 or so.
Okay, that's about what I was thinking. I guess we'll find out when we put them in the barn. That way we're not dragging all the way up. Field looks so nice when it's cut. Well, we just got it all stacked here in the barn. It was 60 bales. A very, very good quality, probably some of the best quality hay we've ever made, because we only let it go about 5.5 weeks, right at 6 weeks. And we didn't have a ton of rain in the beginning, but it really came on after that. But not a lot of seed heads and not a lot of weeds, so we are so excited. Plus we have about 18 or so bales left from last year, which we moved out here to the front. But yeah, 60 bales. That's awesome. It is so miserably hot. You can see my shirt. I'm soaked. It's almost 8 o'clock at night, and I just checked the weather, and it's 88 degrees, but with the humidity it feels like 102, which is insane. So we're gonna let the field grow now. We'll probably let it go till right at the end of September, which will be about 8 weeks, and that should give us all the hay that we need for the winter time. So I'm super excited. It's nice breaking it up into 2 cuttings instead of 1 like we did last year. A lot less stress because you don't have to worry about if it rains, you wipe your entire hay harvest out. So doing it like this, it helps keep the grass in good shape. The hay is better quality and a lot less stress, which I'm okay with a little less stress in life. So that's gonna do it for today. We're gonna get in the swimming pool and cool off. Hope y'all have a great day. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.